Scan your passes, friends. If it's green, it's good. Let's see, where we at? All right.
All the way up to the front, right over here, side by side.
You made it. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
All right, my friends, come on up as far forward as you can go. Come on up as far forward as you can go.
I have to do everything around him.
All right, my friends, coming in, make sure we fill in all that space in front of us to the best of our abilities. We want to make sure we have enough room for everybody, so please fill it in as best as you can, all the way up to the front.
Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. Oh, the Millenium Falcon. Upload for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. I get those profits. Wow, the first one will never die.
Skipping your group, how many here?
We're three. We're not together. He wants to do gunner.
He wants to be gunner.
Okay, I have space for 2 gunners and 1 engineer right now.
Okay. You guys be gunners, I'll be
Perfect. 2 gunners, singular engineer, you're waiting for pilot. Single rider, right here, so you're going to be here, my server is an engineer. Pilots, gunners, engineers, all ready to go ahead. My single rider, right this way, you'll be here, my server as a pilot. How many here? 2, right this way. I have space for 1 in the first and 1 in the second, or both in the second. How would you like to sit? So second row would be next to each other, front row would be right in front of each other. Perfect. How many in your flight crew? 2. I can take both of you right now in my third row. How many? 1, you're going to go to my front row. You're going to be a pilot.
Alrighty.
You're waiting there. So I got 2 pilots, 2 gunners, 2 engineers. No, you'll head all the way in for me. Go ahead. You're going to follow Shelly. 2 pilots, 2 gunners, 2 engineers. Our engineers.
Blue and red buttons are the main guns, big yellow buttons are the missiles.
Engineers.
Red buttons light up, push them. Your personal cargo is going to go as you repeat the command. So now's the time to take off all the bags and hold them in your hands. All the way down the hallway past the open door.
Thank you so much.
Mike, you're right here. You're going to go into that open doorway.
2. Be a longer show. Oh, in this room.
Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, as you go forth, my friends, I want to remind you to be careful. Safety first. Well, profit first, but safety's a close second. I want to make sure you and the cargo get back with no mishaps. Oh dear, that sounded like a mishap. R5, what is going on? A power fluctuation in the main hangar generator? That's impossible. I had all those components checked personally. Okay, my friends. This is what we in the business call a power failure. But it is no cause for concern, as we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. R5, tell me we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. Yes, of course, the emergency power supply. Just what I was about to suggest. 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Why? What are we supposed to do until then? Stand around in the dark like a cave full of minox? I have to tell you, this is not typical for Onaka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, here to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here. Really? It happens twice a day? Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you, everything else on today's mission will go perfectly.
Hang on for 1 moment. Should be talking soon.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños. Gracias.
Alright, so you're going up and down. You're going towards you for up, away for down. You're going left and right. Left is left, right is right. My gunners, you're in charge of the blasters. Pew pew all you want by hitting those flashing buttons, but if you miss, it's going to cost you, so don't miss. My engineers, you're the hardest job of all. You're fixing what these pilots break. Guarantee it's going to be a lot, so I wish you luck. Alright, right this area, Chris. mean, if you know how to aim right, you can.
That's true.
Alright, everybody look at those seatbelts for me, please. Alright, my pilots pull these yellow straps, please. Pilots pull the yellow straps. My gunners pull the yellow straps, and my engineers.
My blue here.
Get those flashing buttons and good luck.
I think this is
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You better be faster, when we get real trouble.
This is the ship.
Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly. Push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. We need to defend ourselves. Open fire. There it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo free. Left pilot, brake. Oh, my. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I grab the coaxial. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Pilots, into the center. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. So close. A gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We have to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry. It's coming down. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. We made it. I don't believe it, but we made it. Now, let's get out. Your hyperdrive has failed. Pilots, evasive maneuvers. We've got company. True is right. If we lead them back, they may find the resistance. Only 3 left. You did it. Watch out. Oh, that's going to be fun. Great job, my friends. You retrieved 1 container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.